Welcome to this third class of Preventing and Controlling Diabetes program. If you have not seen the first two videos, ask your CHW for the links. In this class, we will learn to eat healthier food, less sugar, fat, and processed foods, and to eat more vegetables and smaller portions. This will help control your weight. Eating healthy is important because it helps prevent too much body fat from forming and accumulating. Extra fat can block insulin from moving sugar into your cells, which makes diabetes harder to control and increases your chances of getting diabetes. All food turns into sugar. Sugar gives energy, but when it stays in the blood, it can damage the eyes, the heart, and blood vessels. Even a small weight loss can help your body work better. Doctors use a calculation called BMI or body mass index to determine the category of your weight. For instance, if your BMI is 30, you are in the obese category. The higher your BMI, the higher the chances of you having a disease like diabetes, high blood pressure, and complications from them like heart and kidney problems. Do you know your BMI? There are equations to calculate this. You just need to know your height and your weight. Your CHW can show you that equation. If your BMI is too high, and most people's is, don't get discouraged. Start with a small, realistic goal like losing 5 pounds. Write your goal down and decide how long it will take. When you reach it, set a new goal. Small changes over time are the key. Losing weight is hard because we often think different of ourselves than we really are. What we think we eat is not always the same as what we really eat, so we need to be honest about our habits. Look at what you eat, even measure how much you eat, snack, drink, sleep, and exercise, and accept that you may need help. Let's talk about how food gives your body energy. This helps explain why some foods make you hungry, again, very fast. See the red line and the blue line? The red line represents simple carbohydrates. Sugar, candy, white bread, white rice, juice. They give you energy very fast, but it lasts only a short time. After about 30 minutes, you feel hungry again. This can raise your blood sugar and cause weight gain. Now let's look at the blue line, complex carbohydrates and protein. Complex carbohydrates like vegetables, whole grains, brown rice, whole fruits, give you energy more slowly and last longer. They help you feel full longer. Protein like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and low-fat dairy gives you energy for even more hours and helps you control hunger. When you combine protein plus complex carbs plus fiber, your body gets steadily energy for 3 hours or more. This is why every meal should be balanced. Balanced meals help control hunger, blood sugar, and energy levels. Help starts with learning what to do. It's not about following a diet as many think. It is making long-lasting changes like a healthy plate. A healthy plate has all food groups: protein, grains, fruits, vegetables, and dairy. All groups are important when eaten in the right amounts. Fruit is okay for people with diabetes. Fruit has sugar, but it is still healthier than processed foods like cookies or fast food. Eat whole fruit, not juice. Juice and smoothies have too much sugar because they use many fruits at once. Use a 9-inch plate. Protein should be about a quarter of the plate, or about the size of your palm. Fruits and vegetables should be half of the plate, the most important part. Grains should be the remaining 1/4 of the plate. And dairy, like a glass of low-fat milk or half a cup of yogurt on the side, should be the last part. Drink water and eat your food. Do not drink your food. If you have any questions about foods or portions, talk to your community health worker. We are here to help. Extra tip: look for a lot of color on your plate. Different colors in fruits and vegetables give your body different nutrients. Eating many colors helps you eat better and not get bored. The color means a healthier meal. Avoid temptations such as all-you-can-eat buffets. They make it way too easy to eat too much. Smoothies and juices also, they have a lot of calories and they can cause weight gain. Eat your food and drink your water versus drinking food like juices. Tips for snacking. Keep healthy snacks with you when you are away from home. Snack on fruit, veggies, or protein while you cook. Have healthy foods in eyesight at home. Walk after meals and eat until you're content, not stuffed. Here are the most common challenges with food. You don't need to change everything, just pick one to start, like eating too much fried food, sweets, sugary drink, bread, or large portions. Focus on one that is the most important to you. A common question is about supplements like vitamins and minerals. Most people only need a multivitamin unless the doctor says otherwise. There are many people out there that will try and sell you more, which can waste your money and sometimes do harm. Talk to your doctor to see if you should take more than one multivitamin. For example, some people may need supplements like B12, calcium, or vitamin D. Bring all vitamins, teas, or liquid supplements to your doctor and tell them what you take. Have you been making changes? What is better and what is still hard to change? It is important to set goals that you can measure. For example, instead of just saying losing weight, set a goal like eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily and walk 15 minutes daily. Write down your goal and ask your CHW to help make it measurable. This helps you stay focused and turn changes into healthy lifestyles. Thank you for continuing to participate with us in this diabetes prevention and control program. We are very happy to have had 3 classes with you and invite you to continue watching our videos, answering our calls, and allowing us to help you. God bless you and see you next time. Thank you.